The big question today is, how do you receive mail while being full-time on the road traveling around Australia? I just came back from the post office in Dingo, which is not really a post office, it's an LPO, like a little outlet of Australia Post. They sell all sorts of stuff and they have this post office there. In our today's video I explain how you can receive post, packages, letters, whatever, while you're on the road. Doesn't matter where you are, as long as there is some sort of post office in the area where you go. So I'll explain as easy as possible. It is really easy, it's no big deal, and the only thing you need to provide to collect post on the road is your ID, like driver's license or passport, some sort of ID, nothing else. Stay tuned. Spotlight, bank card, my computer mouse and adventure palms. There you go. Okay. How do we receive our post and mails while we are traveling full time? I see this question all the time in all the Facebook groups online. And we also have been asked that by family members recently. So I thought I'm doing a short video of how we do it. And we are here in Australia, obviously. And the system is actually pretty easy. It is really easy to receive post, packages, letters while you are on the road. I recommend you download the Auspost app from your store, from your app store for your mobile phone, and create an account with Auspost if you haven't already. And that is free, it doesn't cost you anything, and then you are able to set your pickup points where you want to receive the post while you are traveling. Here on the laptop, I'm just quickly showing you how to select the collecting points. You go to auspost.com.au and then you log in to your account. If you don't have yet, you just sign up for my post. I have an account, I log into that one, and it will tell me my tracking, my parcels which I'm tracking at the moment. Also, you can collect your parcels anywhere you want. It shows you on the dashboard an overview of different things you can do actually. And you also have the option to go to tracking to track your items that you're waiting for. I today collected 4 items and they are delivered now. And here on the tab that says collection points, that is actually where you can set up or search for collection points in the area you are. Let's say you're traveling Australia. I have a few collection points already here in my account because I know that's where I received post in the past, and I want to go to Cairns and want to collect parcels there. We have never been to Cairns before. We don't have an address there. We have to look for a post box or LPO to be able to collect a parcel. So on the screen you can select a parcel locker, you can select a parcel collect, you can add a new post box or an existing post box. And today I'm just showing you what I'm doing when we travel and I plan ahead to collect something. So let's say we travel to Cairns, I click on parcel collect, and the website will give you the option to enter the area where you're in, or like a suburb or even a postcode, and then it opens a map where you can select the most convenient pickup point for you. So wherever you are, let's say you're staying in Morobul, I hope I pronounced that right, and I want to collect my parcel from the Mananda post shop. We have the post opening hours here. You can check when they are open, when they are closed, and you have to make sure you arrive there in between these opening hours, of course. And once you add this post shop to your collecting points in your account, it shows you the address that you have to insert when you go and shop online. Like let's say you go to Amazon and you order some stuff for your caravan, or you go to Anaconda or Big W or BCF, whichever store you need some stuff for your caravan or for a car, whatever, and you need a address, a delivery address. This is the address that you will add as a delivery address in your order. So that's the shipping address, all right? This is the address you have to provide to be able to receive your orders at this specific collection point. So, and since I have added that to my collection points, I can now go and view my collection points. And there we go. Here it is. I've never been to this area, so I will go and bin that one because I've, I don't know if I will ever use that. But that's actually the way you are adding collection points and use them for your online orders. That's how simple it is. And as soon as you have something done here on your laptop or computer, it will also show up in your app on your mobile phone. You can also add the collection points on your mobile phone. You don't need a computer or a laptop or something. You don't have to go on your website. You can do that in your Auspost app. You just need to create an account. That's all. Then you're ready to receive deliveries all over Australia at any post office or LPO that you can think of. It's very easy, not a big deal at all, and it's free. You don't pay extra for that service. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you're leaving a like or even subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope I see you in our next video. Happy travels, stay safe, and enjoy your day. See you later. Bye.